No matter how big or small your pond pump, every 3 or so months you need to give it a little bit of maintenance. Now without this TLC, your pump just isn't going to run efficiently. Your filters and fountains aren't going to perform at their best, and you're leaving yourself at risk of developing some major, very avoidable problems. But don't panic, this is all pretty simple stuff that'll only take you about 10 minutes to do. Disconnect your pump and lift it from the pond. Don't forget to turn the power off first, and then remove the front cage. How you do this will vary by model. Smaller units, they'll just twist off, but larger models, chances are they'll need to be unscrewed, and don't lose those screws. Get that cover off and gently ease out the impeller. And watch for that O-ring seal. Just check that it's got no wear and tear and put that safely off to one side. Now make sure the face of the impeller and all the blades are nice and clean and there's no wear or damage. If the impeller has a central hole, make sure this is clear and clean. This is where water flows in to cool the engine chamber, so without that flow your pump will overheat. Check inside the chamber to make sure there's no muck or sand and clean it out if needs be. Pop your impeller back in and make sure that O-ring is well seated and that it's not twisted or caught at all, because that forms the seal for your engine chamber, and without that you'll lose pressure. Refit your impeller cover. If screwing it on, don't screw down too tightly. Slide on the base plate and then clip on the front cage. And that's it, your pump's ready for reconnection and dropping back into the pond. Too easy.